Welcome back everyone, and in this video I'm going to share about the another fifth herb, or you can also say it is a spice. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is very easily available, cost efficient and most effective herb to treat not only acne but also acne scar, and it is easily available in everyone's kitchen. What it is? Yes, it is jaifal or nutmeg. In Sanskrit it is called jatifal and its scientific name is Myristica fragrans. So I am going to add a wonder spice in your beauty regime. So let's get started. By the way, I am Dr. Vandana Saraf, MD Ayurved in Medicine Department, Associate Professor in Government Dhanvantri Ayurved College and also Ayurvedic Dermatologist. So let's get started. This spice works beautifully on your skin to treat acne and acne scar. What makes this herb very effective? It has antibacterial property, antimicrobial property, anti-inflammatory property. All three property makes this herb very effective. They can help to fight the acne causing bacteria and also prevent the acne. It also has an antioxidant property. Antioxidant property makes this herb to rejuvenate your skin, and it can increase the cell turnover, and it also reduce the fine line wrinkles, and also reduce the free radical damage which can caused by sun or aging process. Apart from that, it also has so many beneficial ingredients like magnesium, manganese, zinc, copper and vitamin A and C. Both are very good to your skin health, and also it has a vitamin B1 and B6. Here comes the most exciting part of this video is how to use it. I am going to share you 3 ways to use it. First way is to take 5 gram of nutmeg powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and apply on your pimple or all over the face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it out with lukewarm water and apply your favorite moisturizer or sunscreen. But make sure this pack might not be very much suitable for the sensitive skin because nutmeg and cinnamon both are very intense. Maybe they can irritate your skin. So here I am going to share the another way to use in sensitive skin. Take 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of nutmeg powder, add it raw milk in it and mix it well. I'll just like make paste and apply on your overall face or pimple, and you can also leave it overnight if you are not getting irritated by this. So this is the another way. And third way, if you find it's essential oil, nutmeg essential oil, then take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, pure aloe vera gel, mix it well and apply all over your face or only on pimple. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it out with lukewarm water and apply your favorite moisturizer or sunscreen. If you do not find nutmeg powder, then you can use it whole fruit, not its covering inner part. Rub a nutmeg powder on a coarse stone slab. Add with some raw milk and rub it around 10 to 20 rounds and you will get its extract and apply on your pimple or all over the face. Leave it, if you are not getting irritated, then leave it overnight. Definitely you will get a good result. And this is the kind of remedy you will not get maybe instant result, but definitely if you use it continuously for 2 to 3 months and one or twice in a week, definitely your skin will transform and you will get rid from your acne and acne scar permanently. Use it and you will definitely get a good skin health. I hope this will help you, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay safe and healthy. Goodbye for now.